R Securematics, established in 2016, is a leading provider of GPS tracking and closed-circuit television solutions. We specialize in GPS devices and software, fleet management solutions, security cameras, and IP solutions, providing services across Delhi NCR. With our dedication to innovation and commitment to customer satisfaction, we have become a trusted partner for securing assets, managing fleets, enhancing surveillance, and ensuring the peace of mind of our valued clients. R Securematics is committed to providing reliable and high-quality products and services. They ensure timely delivery and installation, and their team of skilled professionals is always available to provide support. R Securematics prioritizes customer satisfaction. They are dedicated to providing exceptional service and building long-term relationships with their clients. Whether you're looking to secure your home, office, or manage your fleet of vehicles, R Securematics has the solutions you need.